Hello and welcome to How to Guide. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can sign up for Redbubble and Etsy. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. So let's go ahead and open a browser and open redbubble.com. So after you go to redbubble.com, you will see this type of interface. So you can see this is a selling site where you can sell your products quite easily. So let's go ahead and click on sign up. So after you click sign up, you can see this page will load up. So you can sign up as an artist or a customer. So there are two things which you need to take care of: artist and customer. So if you are an artist and you are here to set up and start your designs, you can click on this. Or else if you are a customer and you want to browse the marketplace and find the product, you can select this. So as I am a customer, I'll select this. Whereas if you want to set up as an artist profile, you can click on this. You can switch between the artist and customer profile later as well. So let's go ahead and select one. Then write down your primary email address and select a username. After you select your username, what you need to do is set up a password for yourself. Make sure that you keep in a good and secure password. Check your password once by clicking on this eye icon. And if you want any kind of emails from Redbubble, you can click on this. Go ahead and click on sign up now. After click on sign up, after waiting for a while, you can see that your dashboard has now been ready. Now you can create products, set up a shop, and start to get paid. So if you want to do this, you can start doing it. You can see the add new work option over here. After this verification profile is completed, you can now start doing your work, or you can upload your existing work over here as well. So if you go back to the Redbubble page, you can now view it as a customer. But if you want to switch it and want to sell your art, you can see the sell your art option. You can click it and you can go back to the dashboard where you can complete your seller profile as well. So now, after the Redbubble is completed, let's go to Etsy. Go to etsy.com and you can see this profile. On the top right hand side, you can see the sign in option. Just go ahead and click on it. And after you click on sign in, you can see the register option as well. So now it's quite easy. There are a lot of processes you can use to sign up to Etsy. So the first process is the normal email address. The second process is continue with Google. And the third process is with Facebook. And the last option is to create an account with Apple as well. So you can use any of these and you can create your account. So it's quite easy to sign up with Google. I'm just going to give you the example by continue with Google. After click it, you can see some of my Google addresses will appear. Go ahead and click on the Google address, click continue to sign in to Etsy. And after you do so, wait for a while. After you wait, you can now see that you have been signed up for Etsy. If you want to sell your products now, you can see the shop manager over here. Go ahead and click on shop manager, fill in your shop credentials, and then you can easily sell your products. So this way, I hope your informative content will be provided. So you can now sell your products on Redbubble and Etsy and grow your reach. I hope this video about how you can sign up for Redbubble and Etsy was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.